Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Measure ingredients precisely. Use 1 cup white granulated sugar plus 1/4 cup molasses to mimic brown sugar's moisture and flavor. Alternatively, substitute 1 cup coconut sugar or 1/4 cup maple syrup with a 1 tablespoon butter reduction. Combine 2 cups rolled oats, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon in a bowl. Use 1/2 cup 113 g. Softened butter and 2 large eggs to build structure and create a smooth creamed base for the dough. Start by creaming butter and sugars. Cream 1/2 cup butter with 3/4 cup sugar and 1/4 cup molasses until light and slightly fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, then add 1 teaspoon vanilla. Fold in the dry mix gently, fold in 2 cups oats and 1 cup flour just until combined to avoid toughness. Chill dough 30 minutes, scoop 2 tablespoon portions, and bake at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes, until edges are golden and centers look set. Customize mix-ins and swaps. For maple syrup, alternative use 1/4 cup maple syrup and reduce butter by 1 tablespoon to balance moisture. Or add 1/2 cup chocolate chips, 1/2 cup chopped nuts, or 1/3 cup dried fruit. Chill dough 30 to 60 minutes to prevent spreading, then space scoops 2 inches apart on a parchment-lined tray. Cool on the sheet 5 minutes, then transfer to a rack. Store cooled cookies in an airtight container up to 5 days or freeze for 2 months, reheating gently before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.